Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Victoria and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a split pea soup recipe. Now, I'm excited to show you guys this recipe because it doesn't take that long to make compared to other dishes that include legumes and beans, especially if you're buying them fresh, like hard beans and hard legumes. They do take a very long time to cook. For example, black beans, let's say you have to soak them overnight and the next day you still have to cook them for 2 to 3 hours, which is pretty ridiculous. And with split peas, you don't have to soak them and they take about 45 minutes to cook, which is great compared to 2 to 3 hours with the soaking overnight. So that's why I'm sharing this recipe with you guys. Also because it's just delicious. Some of you guys might not know because I don't think I've ever mentioned it, but I am Dominican. My parents are Dominican, but I was born in New York. So I grew up eating a Dominican diet. I'm going to be using Dominican flavors in this soup. So I would say this would be a Caribbean split pea soup. And if any of you guys are Dominican or from the Caribbean and you grew up with your parents using these ingredients in your food, let me know in the comments down below because I think that's pretty cool. I just want to know how many of you guys grew up seeing your parents make food with these ingredients, even if you're not Dominican, like anywhere in the Caribbean. I just think that would be pretty interesting to read. If you guys enjoy the video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also, you will be able to keep up with new videos that I post. And if you do subscribe to my channel, click the little bell button that's right next to the subscribe button, just so that I can notify you as to when I put up new videos. Also, leave some comments down below. As I said earlier, that would be awesome. I would like to interact with you guys. Also, leave some comments down below letting me know, like, I don't know, give me suggestions on what kind of videos you guys want to see. That would be cool too and helpful. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get into the recipe. And again, thank you for tuning in with me. Peace.
So you want to start off by boiling some split peas. Here I'm using yellow split peas. You can use green if that's what you have, whatever works. Now you just want to set a timer for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm setting mine for 30 minutes. Now we're just going to start chopping up all the ingredients for the sofrito. You're just going to need some red onion, or you can use white or yellow. I prefer red onions. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my red onions, as you can see. After, you want to dice up some bell peppers. I'm using some mini orange ones. You can use yellow, red, green, whatever you have in hand. It'll work perfect. Now, you can't really see what I'm doing here because my hand's in the way, but I'm dicing up some garlic. I'm using about 2 cloves of garlics. 2 cloves of garlic. The more the better in my opinion. I'm also dicing up some little cherry tomatoes. Now I'm just adding some olive oil. This is optional. If you don't use oil, you can also make the split pea soup without the oil. Now you're just going to add all of the vegetables that you just chopped up into the bowl, well, into the pot. Now I'm just going to add a little spoonful of tomato paste. Some apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, whichever vinegar you have in hand. Some olives. I'm using some green olives. Some sea salt to taste. Black pepper, which you can't even see because the price tag is covering it, of course. Now you just want to turn on your fire to a low heat and cover the pan, and within a few minutes you just want to move it around as I'm doing right now. So you don't want your fire too high, you just want it at a medium low. Now I'm adding some tomato sauce, chunky tomato sauce, very little. Just gonna move that around a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to look like sofrito. Now it's been 30 minutes, my split peas are pretty soft, so I'm just gonna dump in the sofrito I just made and mix that all into the split peas. If you don't like the chunks of the vegetables, you can definitely blend all of this and just add that in. It's all up to you. Make sure you taste it. If it needs more salt or pepper, go ahead and add that. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oregano. And at this point, you want to turn off your fire and just add the oregano and mix it all in. Some cayenne pepper. This is optional. If you don't like spicy things, you don't have to include the cayenne pepper. Now just serve. I like to have this as a soup with a side of rice. And there you have it, guys. Split pea soup with some rice. Yum. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.